The 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek 36CK2 is the smart choice for the experienced RV'er. Improve your peace of mind and experience the outdoors with this RV, now available at TerryTown RV Superstore. This Cedar Creek 36CK2 is a 40-foot, 7-inch long double-axle fifth wheel. The front and rear exterior coating is Cedar Creek's True Pearl Gel Coat. It's 40% thicker and keeps its high gloss longer. Nev-R-Adjust brakes come standard as part of the Dexter Safety and Performance package. All of the windows are 100% Hehr automotive frameless and are fully vented. An entertainment system by Jensen in the living area includes a 55-inch LED TV, stereo, speakers, subwoofer, and the Jensen Control App for your phone. The 36-inch fireplace comes with a remote and has a hidden storage compartment. The kitchen features honey-glazed European beech cabinetry with hidden hinges. The oven is a recessed stainless steel model with igniter, sealed burners, and a glass cover. A dishwasher is an optional add-on for the Cedar Creek 36CK2. A big boy design in the master bathroom means that it's now 40% larger than the standard RV bathroom and features 2 sink basins. A Serta Winding River king bed with full-sized headboard comes standard in the master bedroom in the 36CK2. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.